Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. This is episode 2 of The Personal Life. A little behind the scenes. On the note of what I said on the first one, before I moved here and opened up a shop, me and my family, wife and son, were living in a shed in Gonzales. 2-bedroom, just a work shed. And then with the jobs I had there in Gonzales, I wasn't in my own shop. I was working for some shops, some other businesses, and it wasn't pretty. It got pretty bad. I laugh about it now, how bad it really was. Went from the shed to an office. It got pretty horrible, everyone. But then I got lucky. I did some side work and managed to meet a guy by the name of Justin. And he was looking for a mechanic for a shop he built. And came over here, just took the biggest leap ever, had nothing, no money in the bank. Came here and started working. Didn't do so good just because there wasn't the money there for capital to buy parts and stuff, so everything was coming out of a little fund he started, and then it went all up from there. I decided to take over. I went and got a loan, bought the shop, then probably a couple months later I bought us a house, and it feels good, I tell you. I never want to feel the way I did. Just barely eating. It was horrible. But I want to help people get through their tough times. Hopefully these videos will help you get through your tough times. No matter your situation, you can always come out somehow. No matter what you believe, even if you're religious, just keep your head up. There's always a way out. And just keep your head up. That's all I gotta say. It gets better. And now I'm making a name for myself. It's slowly getting out there. All we can do is grow from here, guys. See y'all next time. Hey guys, on a little lighter note, I'm just gonna catch you up on a little bit of things I've been working on other than the orange truck, of course. The orange truck is waiting on some parts. I've been working on some videos for in-between videos to catch y'all up on progress and all the way to this point. I really think y'all are gonna enjoy that. But anyways, here's a Mustang 66. I'm going to spray the cab today. It's gonna be a beautiful metallic blue. And here's another crazy build. It used to be a golf cart. All that's left of the golf cart is the front and back, but it's got a nice little heart down in the middle. I'm redoing the wiring, putting a painless harness in it. The guy who built it used old-fashioned tube type fuses. Anyways, Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know what you think. Thank you.
Don't you be afraid.